This capacity and bandwidth planning template for engineering is really meant for product and engineering leaders. So perhaps if you're a TPM or you are on the engineering team, this is meant for your leadership team to be able to fine tune the capacity for different projects and products. So I'm going to scroll down here, and this is the main functionality of the template, is being able to look at the different categories that your company or team is working on. And these can all be customized, but you can adjust the allocation here of how many person months, effort, story points, whatever you want to call it, is going to be allocated for that given category. And the key point is that down here, your allocation always has to equal 100%. So right now I'm at 91. I need to increase the allocation perhaps somewhere over here. And if I go over 100, I'll also get a notification saying that I'm over 100%. So the idea is to be able to pick and choose and tweak the allocation as if you're doing kind of like a sensitivity analysis to figure out where you want to spend engineering's time. So for instance, for customer initiatives, right now, since I have an allocation of 30%, my required capacity is 33, but I only have actual capacity of 21.9. So therefore, I'm over the available capacity by 11.1. And this column will also change from red to green depending on if you're over or under. And then down here, you can also see some stats that change depending on how you change the allocation percentage. So we can see that the 117.5 person months is the total required capacity, but my total capacity based on my team is only 73 for 7 people. And so my required capacity is over the available capacity by 44.5 person months. Up here, you can see related products and projects associated with a given category, and then you can quickly filter by, let's say I want to look at only things for product C, and I can see just these 3 categories that are associated with product C. What's driving all of this is a few separate tables in this data page. This is the list of categories. You can change this however you like or add or remove. These numbers are also updated based on formulas in each of these columns. The teams, these are the actual teams of people that you have on your engineering team. Team members are just drop downs of different people you can add, product lines, projects. The people, this is a core table because you're adding all of the engineering team here and the team they're on, and also more importantly, the capacity of that person for a given month or given year. And this is in person months or effort, however you define capacity or bandwidth on your team. Projects, this is based on the t-shirt sizing of the project. Each t-shirt size has a number of person months or effort, and that's how the numbers are calculated in this main table right here for required capacity, is based on the t-shirt sizing of these projects, which is all listed over here. So this is all kind of behind the scenes work. When you do planning or you're scoping out a project, you can put a t-shirt size, and that determines how many person months are associated with that project. T-shirt sizing, a table that you can also customize depending on what you want to assign for a t-shirt size. 1 for small, 3 for medium. Product lines, we talked about this a little bit. You can define which product lines there are, the team owner, and then you can also have Jira issues linked in here. This is synced in from my Jira project here. And some of my issues have story points and also related projects. So if I go back to my projects page, I have a column with linked Jira issues from that table. And now I can do some more calculations to see the total story points from these Jira issues associated with these given projects that I've come up with for a given sprint. The main purpose here is to be able to play with this allocation, but there's a lot of behind the scenes work you can do to make sure that all of your Jira issues, your projects, your products, your teams are all connected so that these numbers about capacity are all updated in real time.